Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Nico, and today we are actually checking out CLC and their latest comeback, Helicopter. Yo, it's been a hot minute since we've last seen of CLC. I am excited. Unfortunately, I didn't have the chance to actually check out any of the teasers, so I have no idea on what to expect coming from CLC. This is gonna be like a shock factor to me, because again, it's been a long time since I even last heard of CLC or any or been listening to any of the CLC songs. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's pop in them AirPods. CLC Helicopter in 3, 2, 1. Yow. Helicopter. Okay. Immediately we see a sky shot, helicopter sound. Ooh. Black and red. Okay. Okay. Oh, Yin looks amazing, and Elky visuals, insane. Man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yo, Soren looks good. Let go. Yeah. Here comes the bias. Bam. Love that part. Well, I'm having goosebumps for this song. I was born to be a liar. Ooh, them high notes. Elky's shots are insanely good. Yo. Visuals. Ooh, doom. This is like a marching band type of. That drums feels like it's a build up to an anthem. Vocals. Oh my God. Yo, this last chorus. Oh my God. What? What? Those lines are insane. Yo, I haven't had goosebumps like I am having right now since I heard of Black Dress. Wow. This song hits hard. This song slaps. Yo. It There's something that I don't understand though. Because usually I like looking into the meaning behind the lyrics, the title of the music video, as well as the actual music video itself. The only thing I love the song. Let's get that out of the way. I really, really, really love the song. But the thing is, I don't understand how a helicopter and the lyrics being centered around helicopter going to the top, staying on the top, drawing art on the top, just like all these reference as a helicopter and a pilot and all this. What does that have to relate, or what's the relationship between that and the music video? Because from the music video itself, it looks like it's actually should have been rocket or what else in the atmosphere, maybe something different than the atmosphere, like I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to put myself in the shoes of the director and the producer of this music video, and I have to be honest, I am confused why they used a helicopter. Like, why reference a helicopter instead of anything else that could fly or that could send you to space? Because again, I'm a bit confused. The only helicopter reference that I can think of was their outfit, and other than that, I'm a bit lost. Let's just say. So immediately, you know how an action movie and being in a helicopter and all this, that is how the opening of this music video feels. Again, the helicopter sound, that sound effect that they used, and then those high notes from the piano as well, like ding, ding. You know how you'd start teasers or trailers of action movies? That's how it usually starts. So we won't be lonely at the top. So yeah, as I was trying to say, so yeah, let's try to go through more. Yeah, basically these outfits that we are seeing right now, it has nothing to do with helicopter. But yeah, let's check out more. I may be missing some points, like because I'm not very deep into the lore and the story and the theories behind other CLC music videos. So, guys, if you have any reference that I may be missing, that I'm not getting, please let me know in the comment section as well. Ooh, I love this lighting as well that they were doing here. As you can see, those strobing lights, those fast lights, as you can see there. That was also the same effect that was used in this part. Let's see that again. See this effect? This static effect that you could see from the opening part of the music video. This static transition. So I'm doing this frame by frame, and this is actually the reveal of the text. You could see that, and it's kind of mimicking that same effect that they were doing on the start. So that one. So as you can see, right there. I really love that. So now they connected the opening texts that they were asking us to read, and now it transitions so well to the start of the music video. And I love that they're using some mists or some, basically creating a cloud effect, as you can see here. I also love the platform that they're standing on. It kind of has that maybe from an inside of a helicopter, or maybe an inside of any flying stuff in the air, helicopter. Maybe that's a helicopter reference. Is it those steel platforms that you'd see in action movies, like when you're heading to, it's not a helipad because usually helipads are made out of concrete and stuff. I'm thinking too much. I love again. I'm sorry for pausing too much, but that strobe of light, those lights that just hitting their bodies very quickly. I love that effect so much. See here, as you can see from Yeon's part, it's showing a galaxy. It's kind of showing a galaxy. Like, as a helicopter, you can't reach the galaxy or outer space with a helicopter. So basically what the I was also trying to read the lyrics as we were watching this, and they were implying that they were painting. So let's go through this again. I paint every day, and I draw. I thought that this when I was reading this, they were referring to the sky because of the beauty of the sky, like the clouds, the sun, and those parts. But by the music video and the effect that was used, it looks like they're referencing the galaxy. I don't know. I'm hella confused, but yeah, let's continue. I love that they started out the first verse with a very heavy rap. And yo, I really love Elki's set. I told this in the first go through. I really love Elki's set. It looks so good. Wow. And again, sorry, I wanted to go back. This looks like, from a solar system, outer space. That's why I'm quite questioning why they used helicopter. There might be other meanings why helicopter was used as a title for their music video or for their song in general. Because again, if I was in the shoes or in the in the shoes of the director, the producer, and the songwriters and stuff, I might have called this Galaxy or called this rocket ship, or I don't know, something else. That's just me. So again, I may be wrong or I may be missing something, but I still don't understand the helicopter reference. Because even on the other scenes, so as I was saying as well in the start, the only reference of a helicopter that I can think of was this outfit. Similar to maybe what a helicopter pilot would wear. Of course, astronauts are the ones that goes to outer space, and they weren't. I don't know. I'm confused. This is the only helicopter reference that I got from the entire music video. Not gonna lie. It's not even a proper actual pilot outfit. See? It's just the shade of the green that they use, military green. That's why it gave off that pilot feel. But yeah, nowhere close to maybe trying to go for a pilot look, but the feel is there. And again, they were using this on that steel platform that looks like a military base, military something. That's the only feel that I got for, again, the reference between the music video and the word helicopter. They really love using those LEDs as well. It's almost in every scene. they're making great use of those LEDs to create different colors of light. See, they're using it here again, and now they change it to purple. See, another scene from Yeon, and it's outer space, and this is basically a galaxy. Ooh. And I love this. It has that raindrop effect. So it's basically just pieces of light lighting it up, and then they were doing this, and now it has that raindrop effect, and it's also reflecting on the ground, and it looked so good. Man, the blue background, that purple lighting in the back, and then that teal or greenish light went so well with the outfit. And then the backup dancer is just wearing all black. Ooh, I really love this scene. I really love this scene. Oh, and they changed the colors to purple. This is the power of LEDs. And now they're using red LEDs. Oh, I'm fanboying about the set. Not gonna lie. Even in a black and white, it looks so good. Ooh, what is this? So on the top, I just noticed as well, it looks like a flight of stairs, but it also looks like something related to a helicopter part. It doesn't look like an LEC or any parts of, but yeah, it's a flight of stairs. Flight of stairs, maybe it's because to reference that they wanted to go on top. It's better on top. Ooh. I really love those outfits. Especially, I love this part of the song. Boom, boom, dang, boom, boom. We will. I'm kidding. I love that they were doing this march anthem beat of the drums, but they are also using their voice harmonizing. So it doesn't sound like a typical anthem build up to the last chorus in the bridge, because they included the harmonizations of the voices right there. It actually sounded different, but it's actually so simple. You know what I feel? You know what I'm saying? Man, that was so smart, and I really love that as well. So hear this part. Dun, 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 dun. And I love now that just by doing those harmonization, if you are a first-time listener of CLC, now it has the impression that the group are filled with very, very, very talented vocals just because they were harmonizing. And harmonizing in a song actually gives off that feeling that everyone or every member of from this group can actually be very vocally powerful. You know, it's just, again, these are like a trick that maybe composers and producers do just so they could lure in more listeners for the song. And again, this trick really works. Mm-hmm. And now they layer this with high notes. Man. Oh, the key change as well. Man. And again, they went back to just the journey never ends. Ooh. Ooh. Yo. This song is so freaking good. Again, as mentioned, Black Dress was my favorite CLC song before listening to Helicopter, and right now, I have to admit, Helicopter might be one of my favorite CLC songs of all time. Like, that's hard to say because CLC, they've been around and they got a lot. They have a great selection of songs if you go through their discography. But there's something about Helicopter. It's also 4 minutes long, and it's just that last chorus with the layers of the vocals, the harmonizations, and just those buttery vocals. Oh my god, it was giving me goosebumps. Again, the last time I was having these kind of feeling was when I was reacting to my ultimate group. And not gonna lie, CLC is not or I'm not up to date to everything CLC, so I do listen to most of their title tracks, but I'm usually limited to just their title tracks. But for this album or for this song, I might have to revisit. I might have to go back to their entire discography just so I could maybe find some diamonds in the rough. This just shows CLC is such a vocally gifted group. That is how good they are. The only thing that I did not enjoy, I mean, not really not enjoy, but got confused about this music video is the references. Again, Helicopter, so I was expecting just stuff regarding Helicopter or anything near to a helicopter, but throughout the music video, it was very even just the colors that they were using throughout the music video, it's more fitted into an astronaut galaxy themed, so purple, blue, those kinds of hues of colors. Those were most of the colors that we've seen all throughout the music video, and with those colors, again, it was implying outer space, dark, moon. You know what I mean. But yeah, again, that was my expectation, but this was the direction that the producers, the editors, the directors basically that wanted to go for. So yeah, again, it confused me. I may not get what the meaning of the word helicopter meant by that, but yeah, that's the only thing that actually confused me about this music video. Anyways, guys, did you enjoy my reaction and breakdown of CLC's Helicopter? Please let me know by hitting that like button, comment down below of what I should do next. And if you guys want to be a part of this growing community, please subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell so y'all would be notified every time we upload a new video, guys. This has been Nico. I'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.